evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says skilled craftsmen are symbol of a true spirit of self-reliant India, asserts PM Vishwakarma Yojana creating job opportunities. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma bats for reforms in education system, assures the timely disbursement of teachers' salary. PAG Minister Marquis N. Marak assures proper execution of drinking water projects, says utilization of central funds to be monitored properly. And Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Hek plans to make state self-sufficient in meat production. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that in the last few years, the government is working towards enhancing the skills of crores of young people through the Skill India mission and the Kaushal Vikas Kendras. Addressing the post-budget webinar on PM Vishwakarma Kaushal Samman PM Vikas, the Prime Minister said through these schemes, youngsters are getting lots of job opportunities in the country. He said there is a need for a more targeted approach in the area of skill development to get better results, and PM Vishwakarma Yojana is the result of that thinking.
बीते वर्षों में हमने स्किल इंडिया मिशन के माध्यम से, कौशल विकास केंद्रों के माध्यम से करोड़ों युवाओं की स्किल बढ़ाने, उन्हें रोजगार के नए अवसर देने का काम किया है। कौशल जैसे क्षेत्र में हम जितना स्पेसिफिक होंगे, जितनी टारगेटेड अप्रोच होगी, उतने ही बेहतर परिणाम मिलेंगे।
Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma has said it is for everyone to shoulder the responsibility to bring the necessary reformation in the education system of the state. He also assured timely disbursement of teachers' salary. After meeting with the officials of the department, the teacher-turned-education minister on Friday said he had already discussed with the chief minister on the need to resolve the salary issues of the teachers. Providing quality education is one of his priorities, Rakam Sangma said.
I know the issues of our education. Yes, I don't think I'll be able to solve 100% of all these issues. No, but we will do our best. I think our Honorable Chief Minister will help me out, and I hope our education department, we have the good officials, will do our best. Just now, hour back, we had a meeting with all the top officials of the department. We have discussed about this issue, and I hope it's my prayer that issue we will be able to sort it out.
Minister in charge of Public Health Engineering, PAG, Marquis N. Marak, on Friday said he would aggressively monitor utilization of funds sanctioned by the central government for providing drinking water to the people of Meghalaya. After chairing his first meeting with the top officials of the department, Marak told reporters that they have apprised him of the position of the department and that he has decided to immediately review the functioning of the department. He expressed confidence that the MDA-2 government will perform well and refuted the opposition allegation of horse trading during the formation of the MDA-2 government.
I tried to know the department, and they have apprised me the position of the department. And then tomorrow I'm going to have a review meeting with the entire department officials in committee room here in Secretariat. So there I'll be able to know more about the department. So therefore today's meeting was very brief, only to know the structure of the department.
Minister in charge of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary A.L. Heck asserted that his top priority is to make Meghalaya self-sufficient in meat production. Speaking to media persons, Heck said that the majority of the population in Meghalaya consume meat, but everyone knows there is huge gap between supply and demand. Hence, there is a need to come out with ways and means to make the state self-sufficient in meat production. Heck said that since he is new in the department, he is yet to review the implementation of the piggery mission.
The demand and supply has huge gap out there.
So how do you plan to address that problem?
So that is exactly you are coming with a very nice question is we want to be a self-sufficient states. So I don't know how much we can reach out, but my aim, my objective is to be self-sufficient states.
The Jaintia Student Union's Labang Nangpillut Circle yesterday held a traditional dance program for all villagers under Block 1. The function was organized with an objective to revive the traditional value and cultural heritage of Khasi Jaintia of Ilaka Labang Nangpillut and to add a purpose to all who had participated in one platform. Addressing the program as the chief guest, the General Secretary of JSU's central body, Thay Borlang R. Suchen, urged the villagers to uphold the traditional integrity and teaching of the ancestors.
Halai cibon hamat kilepo
Karno puk mat puk mut.
to gajingmut yo upenem gajingmut to upen sa kenbo ya gate gariti gedustur giyong I kawi kwa khanai pi wa gariti gedustur yong gajai bru nyo trap giyong I gajai bru nyo trap nyo sa khantam ya gari jantia hi wa gawi to da penek pensa da ginong gendong wa kita kiwi tuan kiniam ne kita kiniam tre wa kiwi tuan kiniam yo kiniam kristan.
Woodland Hospital Shillong on Thursday observed the World Kidney Day in Nongstoin with an aim to create awareness on the importance of kidneys, reducing the impact and frequency of the disease. An awareness program was held at New Nongstoin in the presence of Dr. Inda Keolin Kharbuli, consultant nephrologist, as the chief guest. Addressing the gathering, Dr. Kharbuli said that the aim of the program was to create awareness on kidney disease and its risk factors.
Thì cũng lúc tiếp tục cái tông cái nào còn lại này thì bốn cái brio cái tiếp tục cần đi tông thì cái brio cái bộ phận lại cái silent killer mau lại cái yang suki cái brio balai ini pang kendai proses uklai undu kata lu cái brio pun makin ba uklai lagi gitu.
And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 23.6 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 11.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 62%, while in the evening it stood at 76%. The forecast: weather is likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says skilled craftsmen are symbol of a true spirit of self-reliant India, asserts PM Vishwakarma Yojana creating job opportunities. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma bats for reforms in the education system, assures timely disbursement of teachers' salary. PA Chief Minister Marquis N. Marak assures proper execution of drinking water projects, says utilization of central funds to be monitored properly. And Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Heck plans to make self-sufficient in meat production. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us. And from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.